I'll take a Chipotle chicken griller, chicken chalupa, and I'll take a carbon fiber spoiler and a carbon fiber front splitter.
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
I-44 at the window.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Fire, please.
Fire.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Got good stuff here. What can I say? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you enjoy what you see here, and I hope you stick around for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. We just hit 2,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. You guys are the best. Only one reminder now, there is a comment down below that's pinned that has timestamps so you can hop through the video and view the portions most relevant to you. Today we have a really exciting video. We got a couple DIY installs that will drastically improve the look of your Tesla Model 3. A lot of you have known kind of the trials and tribulations of the Tesla Model 3 performance spoiler. Some people do have their spoilers, but in the majority of the cases, the spoilers are warped or lifting and they just don't fit. It's been 7-8 months now, and as you guys know, I'm impatient. So I ended up finding the designer of a rear spoiler as well as a front lip. These are both carbon fiber. Super excited to get these installed. We're gonna do a point of view install so you guys can see how to install these and then how they look at the end. We just gotta get some double-sided tape and we're gonna pick that up and start doing the install. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned and we will see you guys shortly. If it doesn't rain, we have some real goodies for you guys today. The carbon fiber spoiler, the carbon fiber splitter. Oh, I am so excited to get these installed. But first, we gotta clean. Oh, so excited. This is gonna be amazing. We got the bug and tar remover and some fresh, brand new microfiber cloths. So we're gonna get everything cleaned up and then we'll be back. We got the trunk lip all cleaned up here and it's looking nice and beautiful. The edge of the spoiler does come up pretty darn far, so I cleaned a good 3 to 4 inches up here, but 3M painter's tape just to mark this. So we're gonna try and get it set on there. So it is just secured. It's got some 3M double-sided tape on there. That's what secures it to the trunk. So we're gonna just kind of get this placed on there and see where we kind of like it. And use a little bit of tape to secure it, if I can find the edge. There it is. Okay. How do we like that placement? I think it could maybe be moved to the left a little bit. See how it looks from the side. Oh, looks so good. Oh my goodness. All right, we got a tape measure here and we're just gonna measure the straight line distance from this little corner right here to where it touches here and make sure that we have it centered. All right, so it looks like it is 9 3/4 and this is 10 1/4. So we need to come back this way a little bit, about 1/4 inch. Should be about 1/4 inch. Maybe a little bit more. All right, now we're exactly at 10 here and exactly at 10 there. That feels good to me. So we're gonna get this taped up so that we can mark exactly where it needs to be, and we'll be right back. Beauty. All right. So we should be able to line it up with those 2 pieces of tape just like that. And we're gonna get it pulled off of there and get all the double-sided tape off and then get her mounted. This one did come with the double-sided tape already installed. The lip did not, but he told me exactly where to tape it and I will show you guys that as well. All right, here goes nothing. Trying to flatten on this top surface first. Should be good. And now we're gonna push down this bottom part. I am so happy. finally have a spoiler on there. At the end, we'll go over the pricing and everything like that and where you can get these from for yourself. Now we're gonna move on to the front lip after we secure this a little bit further. All right, now that we have the rear spoiler installed, we're gonna get on to applying some double-sided tape to the front lip here, and then we're gonna get it thrown on the vehicle. So let's get that done. It is the 3M Super Strength Molding Tape, Auto Advanced. You can get it at O'Reilly, AutoZone. First location is right on this edge here. Probably would help if I had some scissors that weren't from 1942. And we're just gonna place them periodically through the middle section here. Might as well use this entire roll. All right, and there we have it. So after way too long, I got all of those red pieces off of the double-sided tape. If you guys have to double-sided tape yours, you won't. It should come with it, but mine didn't for whatever reason. I would recommend less big pieces instead of more smaller pieces, because that was absurdly annoying. Biggest thing is going to be aligning this. So we're just going to have to hope that we get it on there before everything is too stuck. So I kind of know exactly where this edge is going to lie, so I might actually start with that. And then we'll work it on around the other way. Okay, so we're just gonna push it on. And then hopefully get it lined up over here. Okay. Whew. All right, I think we've got it on there. Oh, beauty. That gives it such a wonderful, aggressive look. Oh my goodness. I love the way that gleams in the sunlight. Oh, makes it look so much more aggressive. I am absolutely in love. So obviously, really the only main problems that you can pick out on these are fitment. The finish is beautiful, but let's look at the rear spoiler here. So there's kind of a separation right where my finger is, but you know, all of these you have to look really closely for, so keep that in mind. But yeah, there is a little bit of a separation on this corner. Double-sided tape is kind of keeping it from being perfectly flush on there. The top fits absolutely beautifully. It is fully secured and flat. This side is kind of the same. It's kind of offset, probably from the double-sided tape. The underside is coming out a little bit, but hard to show that to you and very hard for anybody else to notice as well. On the front lip, it stops a bit short, and this, I didn't quite get it perfectly centered, but on this side we probably have about 1/4 of an inch before the bumper and the lip, but again, these are very, very small details. The ones you get from RPM Tesla anywhere are going to have the same exact defect because it is the exact same mold, exact same design, so keep that in mind. On this side, I did a little bit better. Yeah, closer to 1/8 of an inch instead of 1/4 on the other side, so I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It gives such a nice, sporty feel to the vehicle, so. All right, so we just wrapped up the install on the spoiler as well as the front splitter. Let's talk a little bit about how much they cost and where to get them from. So the rear spoiler cost $200 and the front splitter cost $450. As I said, I did meet directly with the designer. His name is Ben. Really nice guy. He's got quite a few of these in stock and is planning on producing more. He is local to Denver. This design was picked up by the production company, wherever that may be, ended up being sold to multiple other parties. So it was sold to RPM Tesla, and it was sold to a couple others. So you'll see this exact design in a few places. I will link those below. I will link the contact information of Ben as well. Really nice guy, and I'm sure he'll be happy to work with you. He's a really nice dude and deserves it for making this amazing design. Sorry, it's really hot in this vehicle right now. The total cost was around $650. Total install time was around an hour. 30 minutes for each. It probably will be less for you because you won't have to deal with putting the double-sided tape on the front lip. It will come with that. It's going to be about the same price from wherever you get it, except for you'll have shipping costs. These vastly improve the look of the vehicle, at least in my opinion, and I absolutely love it. And they are real carbon fiber, which is great as well. I hope this video was helpful. I'll post a few more pictures of this so you can see it up close and kind of how it changed the look of the vehicle, some befores and afters. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like and subscribe button down below. It truly means the world to me. We're doing so well, and I can't thank you guys enough. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you next video.